There we go. Voila! We're making just a very classic cheesecake, or I should say I'm making a very classic cheesecake for Easter dinner for Chris and I. So I'm done making the chicken strips for my grandkids, Jackson and Ember. I'm so looking forward to them coming over, and I definitely hope they like them. Yeah, it is moment of truth.
Here we go.
Yeah. Okay, wait a minute.
You ready?
Wait. I want to see. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, do you see that?
Oh, you guys, look
You
at this.
see it? Woohoo! Jackson, do you want to help me put some cheese on? You're gonna use that? Okay. There you go. There. I'm gonna go ahead and add fresh garlic. I could add garlic powder, but I'm gonna add a little bit of fresh garlic. So let me get that too. I think I forgot the mustard. I knew it needed something. Molly made some great soup. We're gonna break bread, enjoy this wonderful meal, and look at this.
Tap it.
What? I think
Pretty-
it's done. It's a
pretty
little
crusty.
hollow, or?
Yeah, it's pretty
Yeah.
crusty.
Okay, I flipped them over. My pancakes are done. And I am ready to serve a hungry man. Blueberry pancakes. Of course, I had to make one for us, so I hope you like it.
Absolutely.
You wanna try one?
I'm planning on having half of one of those just for me and my coffee.
Do you want a little butter on it?
I don't know that I need to.
I don't know. In fact, I'm not even going to put butter on it because they are just so warm. See, look at this is why I like chocolate chunks instead of chocolate chips. I think the chocolate bars, they just melt so much better. Banana and chocolate, how can you go wrong? So good. We're good?
Oh, it's great. Isn't that good? You guys, this is amazing.
So anyway, I love it. You know what? That's why I love being in the kitchen. It may not turn out, nice and pretty and perfect all the time, but it always tastes good. From my little kitchen to yours, I hope you keep enjoying gathering around the table, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.